Winter is here, and cases of cold, cough, and flu are rising rapidly.
Today, let's learn how to strengthen immunity naturally with simple home-based habits.
Use ginger and turmeric regularly. Both have anti-inflammatory properties that help protect against infections.
Consume honey daily. It helps soothe a sore throat and boost the body's natural immunity.
Maintain proper hand hygiene. Regular hand washing is essential to prevent flu viruses.
Stay protected this winter with a little extra care.
For more such health tips, follow Health Tips English on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.